a restless night, a spark ignites a fleeting light. Through shadows deep, the echoes call. Fire flowers rise and swiftly fall. Fireworks blaze through the veil of the dark, chasing the shadows, igniting a spark. Let the spirits retreat, let the burdens release. In the fireworks glow, we'll summon our peace. A grinning face, a phantom's gaze, flickers in the rocket's blaze. The spirits laugh, their whispers creep beneath the stars where secrets sleep. Fireworks blaze through the veil of the dark, chasing the shadows, igniting a spark. Let the spirits retreat, let the burdens release. In the fireworks glow, we'll summon our peace. A heavy chain, wounds of the past, a haunting refrain. But with each burst, the sky takes the weight, a moment of power to challenge fate. Fireworks blaze through the veil of the dark, chasing the shadows, igniting a spark. Let the spirits retreat, let the burdens release. In the fireworks glow, we'll summon our peace. Evil thrives where silence grows. Through fiery trails, the truth now shows. The ghostly mirth, the sins we've sown, meet the flames where the past is thrown. Fireworks blaze through the veil of the dark, chasing the shadows, igniting a spark. Let the spirits retreat, let the burdens release. In the fireworks glow, we'll summon our peace. Could this light cleanse what lingers still? A storm of fire, bending will? Or do the faces in the smoke find their power as they choke? When lies beyond the bursting flame, when spirits mock and shadows name, we'll rise against their laughter cold, with fireworks blazing bold. But I won't yield, not tonight. I'll face the dark with blinding light. Through every spark I'll stake my claim, and send them back from whence they came. So let the rockets pierce the night, through fleeting sparks we claim the light. The past may haunt, but we'll withstand. With fireworks bright, our future's hand.
This light with the will, the dark. This is like for the God with blinding light.
Through every spark I'll stake my claim, and send them back from whence they came. So let the rockets pierce the night, through fleeting sparks we claim the light. The past may haunt, but we'll withstand. With fireworks bright, our future's hand.